Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is teach you step by step how to back up your mnemonic seed phrase. So what we're going to do using the crypto tag. So I just did an unboxing of the crypto tag. If you guys want to get a first view 4K look, I've already done a video on that. You're going to get a little bit of it here as well. But what we're going to do is do the tutorial process. So I want to share with you, and it is important, how to get your words from paper that you have written down. So if you've not done this, if you've guys set up something like a Tangem or a Trezor Ledger and you have your 12, 24 words, what you can do is get them backed up to metal, and CryptoTag is a fantastic product to do that with. It comes with the full kit, and this is the tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to teach you how to get your words off of paper and onto metal. This will better protect you in case of a flood, a house fire, just erosion over time. Maybe you've not written down your words properly. This will keep it a little more legible as well. Okay, so it comes with the full kit. Check out the unboxing if you want. If you guys have not picked up something like a Tangem, Trezor, or Ledger, head over to the link tree. We can help you out with that there as well. So how do you do this? How do you properly use the crypto tag? So this is the CRYPTOTAG Loki. Fantastic looking product. It is a beast. Again, it will protect you from erosion, etc. So what we're going to do is we are going to find our first word and start there. And keep in mind, all you need are your first four letters. So here we've got our first four letter. So for example, if your first word is toast, you just need to puncture T-O-A-S. Then galaxy, you just need glax. Then window, you just need wind. Okay, so there is a booklet. You guys can download that on mnemonic seed phrases, so you can do that if you want. Here it comes with a nice little set of earplugs. So the Moose isn't going to use that, but if you want, if you have sensitive ears, you can use that as well. Okay, so that's going to be an option for you. All right, so let's get right into it. And what we're going to do is simulate a 12-word mnemonic seed phrase. Do not use these words. In fact, when you create your wallet, never share it with anyone. Okay, so I have used books in the past. I still use them. I love this one. I will have a link in the link tree for this as well. I like having it here, and then any important wallet where I have a lot of funds, I like to use metal. But this is good. This is waterproof, tear-proof. I got a lot of stuff in there. Better than just paper. But again, if you at least get it on paper, it's going to be a good option, but metal is the way to go. So the first one is toast. Okay, so what we need to do is find the letter T, and it's in alphabetical order. So word number one is toast. So T, and there's even a T over here, so it shouldn't be that hard. So you're going to hover over like this, and boom. Here you can see a mark on the T. So the first letter of the first word is T. So we got T. So T-O. So let's do some moose math, moose calculation. So L-M-N-O. It's actually hard to see while I'm filming, but like that. Boom. There's almost like a spark. Man, Moose might start a fire here. So I like this. So T-O-A-S-T. So then the third column, right? So toast. Just want to make sure it's good. Right here. Boom. And then S. So fourth S. Not gonna lie, it's a little hard while you're filming, but whatever. Boom. So here we got our puncture. So if I were to hold this up, I know for me, I can see very legibly that it's toast. Wow. Wow, super cool. Okay, so that's going to be first word. And then here, I mean, you can keep it there, but for purposes, I could just put a check mark so you know where you're at, right? Galaxy, okay? So that's actually not galaxy. Is that what I wrote? It's supposed to be galaxy. See, I actually wrote it improper. So this happens pretty often. If you were to write down words, and if you're someone like me who's pretty dyslexic, you may not even write down the word properly, and you won't know until you go to the word. So I would go to this in the future, say I lost my wallet, and I would go here and be like, Galaxy. I'd be like, what? Is that glory? So that's something else to keep in mind. So definitely another reason. So here we're going to put galaxy. I think that's the word. I just picked a random one. So you need gala. Okay? And again, this happens more often than you would believe. I've heard a particular story where someone was moving and they had their mnemonic seed phrase written down. They didn't check up on it, and I think they got soap on it, and the guy couldn't recover his crypto just from moving. So just think about those things. So number 2, we'll do a few words here. So this is kind of fun, honestly. 2, so second column, we need G. So G, number 2. So again, make sure you take your time, and it's better if you're not filming while doing this. So here we're going to do gala. It's actually not that hard. It's kind of fun. So G-A in the second. I don't want to ruin my desk. Gala. So L. So here we're going to look for L. Moose can find the L. It is very small, actually. But so again, just take your time. You're only going to have to do this once and triple check. There we go. Boom. Nice little puncture. And then back to A. And again, you only need your first 4 letters. So here we already written down 2 words. So here's the back. This can do up to a 24 word. And it's really nice and punctured. So if this gets, lost, it's been, through the mud, there's a fire, there's a flood, you're going to be well protected. So really cool there. So here you can see all the marks, and here you can very visually see your words. We'll do word number 3, and that is window. So here we'll have to go all the way down to the W. So again, third column W. So W-I. I second. I would go even slower than I am right now. I know it seems slow, but you want to make sure you do this properly. So wind. It's actually, it seems like it would be a little bit more difficult to puncture it. It's really not. I don't know how that works. Wind. So again, double, triple check your word. Make sure these are checked properly. So wind, okay? So you're going to repeat that process, do all of your words. So if it's a Cardano wallet, maybe a 15 word. Most wallets are going to be a 12 word. I recommend a 24 word. But at the end of the day, I mean, mnemonic seed phrase, you think it's obvious that, you would think that someone would be able to find out your word. It's really not something that is mathematically easy. Okay, so yeah, if you guys do want to pick up one of these, head over to the link tree. There you guys can find links to everything. I've got online courses, different products to help support the channel. But ultimately, guys, please, please, please make sure that your words are legible and then you transfer and get them to metal. I love the crypto tag. This is another step where you guys can protect yourselves going forward because Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million eventually. Do not take that as financial advice. The moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.